Hi, welcome back to Let's Talk Forex with Alison and Chris. This week we're comparing two of our favorite brokers. It's IG and Forex.com. We'll have links to the full reviews in the show notes, so if either one of these brokers interests you, you can read more about them there. Enjoy the show. And if you've got any questions, please, as always, get in touch with us at podcast@fxscouts.com. Or you can reach us social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, all of it. Thank you so much and enjoy the episode.
Hey Chris, how are you doing today?
I am pretty good, Alison. I am pretty good. How are you?
I am also good, recovering from a cold, but definitely on the mend. Yeah.
Bit bunged up, but nothing serious?
No, nothing serious. Yeah.
How do you get a cold when it's 35 degrees?
I don't know. All my kids, they come home.
Oh, that's true. You got it from your kids, didn't you?
Yeah.
Children. One of the many joys of life.
It is.
Yeah, no, I know. They get you really sick, kids do.
Yeah.
But they're okay though.
No, they are good. They're much better. I'm very glad that they recovered quickly. So now I'm just bearing the brunt of it for a bit. But other than that, we're all fine. Yeah.
What are the many burdens of being a parent? That's right. Good stuff. Today we thought we would compare two of our favorite brokers. We can do this side by side to give traders who might be in the process of looking for a broker, we want to give them a good comparison. Look, we know it's not easy to find a good broker, and it's something that we at fxscouts.com spend a lot of time doing, helping people find a good broker. Because it's really hard to know you can trust in this industry. You know, whether we like it or not, Forex has got a bad reputation, and that reputation is sometimes deserved. There's a lot of unregulated and predatory brokers out there. But both the brokers we're going to be talking about today are some of the best in the industry, and they rate highly in all areas. So the two brokers we're going to be looking at are Forex.com and IG, formerly known as IG Markets.
Yeah. And you know, they, as you said, they rate very highly in all areas. So that's basically why we work with them. We don't work with brokers that don't. So let's get the boring but very important stuff out the way first. If we look at their regulation and what sort of protections they afford, Forex.com has basically been operating since 2001, and it's owned by StoneX, which is a Fortune 100 company. That's actually got a 100-year history. So, you know, just based on that, you can see that Forex.com really does have a good track record and a good reputation, and is regulated by the world's top authorities, including the FCA of the UK, CISEC of Cyprus, and the CIMA in the Cayman Islands, which is where all the people of the rest of the world that are not in the UK or Europe are onboarded, like South Africans. But despite even South Africans being onboarded through the CIMA, it offers traders negative balance protection, and it ensures that all funds are segregated from company funds, and that basically you're treated fairly. So in short, you'll know that Forex.com won't manipulate your trades in any way to profit from your losses, and that your deposits will be safe.
Yeah, and IG has been in the industry even longer, actually. It's been around since 1974. And it's regulated, its various subsidiaries are regulated by 17 national authorities around the world. It's also, the parent company is listed on the London Stock Exchange. It's one of the most regulated brokers in the world. And like Forex.com, it offers all traders negative balance protection, segregates all its funds at top-tier banks. So again, you don't have to worry about your safety of your funds or any kind of trade manipulation at all when you're trading with IG.
Yeah, so basically, I mean, both these brokers are, very well regulated, and you're not going to have an issue with the safety of your funds if you sign up with either of them.
Yeah.
So if we get into the more interesting stuff, we can look at what you can trade with each broker, and Forex.com again shines. It has over 5,500 share CFDs, more than 90 Forex pairs, which is many more than other brokers. And then it also offers crypto. So this depends on where you're based. So crypto trading, just due to FCA regulation, is not available to UK traders, but it will be in the rest of the world, including Australia, and Europe. And then they also offer indices and commodities. So it's got it's got a nice range of instruments.
Yeah, no, it's pretty good, but unfortunately, when it's up against IG, it makes it look a bit poor. But that's because IG is the volume of instruments available to trade at IG is absolutely staggering. I think it's close to the largest selection in the world. It's got over 13,000 shares to trade, but there's also 3 different methods of trading them. It's also got a lot of other CFDs, of course, including Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies. And then it has a lot of its quite innovative CFDs to trade as well. These include sectors. There's a crypto index. And really, it's ace in the hole here, which is that it allows you to trade Forex on the weekend, which is really unusual. I think it's only three major pairs, Euro USD, USD JPY, and GBP USD, I think.
Yeah.
But still, you can trade those on the weekend. It's the only place I know of in the world where you can do that. And then additionally, IG also has spread betting if you're in the UK. If you're in the UK, if you're a UK resident, you can use spread betting. It works very similar to CFDs. You can listen to our interview with Tom Salmon, who's the managing director at SpreadX. We go into quite a lot of detail. That was a few weeks ago. But basically, spread betting is a tax-free way of trading. And it's very similar to CFD trading, but it's only available to UK residents. So, but basically, to sum up, if you're interested in trading a real wide range of assets, or you want to trade on the weekend, then IG is probably the better choice here.
Yeah, I would definitely agree with that. And next, if we move on to platforms, Forex.com has a great range. So it offers MT4, MT5, an in-house or proprietary trading platform, so its own trading platform. And it's one of the few brokers that offers TradingView, which I think will be a big selling point. But it depends on where you're based. So I know that MT5 is not available in all regions, and I know that MT4 is not available in all regions either. But generally, I think the other 2 are available.
Yeah.
And as you can expect with these trading platforms, they offer fast trading and advanced charting tools. They have trading support. You can backtest on these trading platforms, customizable charts, and it's got obviously lots of different indicators. But one interesting offering that's quite unique to Forex.com is that unlike most standard MT4 trading platforms at other brokers, the Forex.com MT4 and MT5 comes with fully integrated Reuters News and Forex.com's research and analysis. So their own research and analysis, and then it offers research and analysis through Trading Central. So it's quite a good offering if you're looking at trading on MT4 or MT5.
Yeah, like a souped up version of MT4. It's pretty cool. And IG also has 3 trading platforms. It offers MT4 as well. It has its own in-house trading platform. It's also available on the web. And then it's got something called the L2 dealer platform as well. The thing, I think IG's USP here is that its in-house platform is unusually customizable and functional. It's got a lot of bells and whistles that you usually don't find in brokers' own platforms. Brokers' own platforms are often made for beginners, they try and simplify things. But IG's own platform is actually really quite advanced. The L2 dealer platform, though, you've got to be aware it's only available on the desktop. And it's a specialist direct market access platform. It's a DMA platform. So it's really only suitable for experienced traders who really know what they're doing. So with the L2 dealer, you trade Forex at market prices, and liquidity is provided straight from major liquidity providers. And it's also functions as a specialist share trading platform, and is directly linked into the various stock exchanges around the world. And so it's got huge market depth.
Yeah, so it's quite an advanced trading platform.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Yeah, so if you're looking to trade on TradingView, then Forex.com is probably better. And also, if you want the research from MT4 and MT5, I would say that Forex.com is a good choice. But for professional traders looking for direct market access and market depth, as you mentioned just now, the IG's trading platforms may be more suitable.
Yeah.
So if we move on to trading costs, Forex.com again offers some of the best in the industry. So it has a $100 minimum deposit on 2 different accounts, the standard account and the MT4 account. And both of these have a spread that start at around 0.7 pips on the Euro USD, but average at about 1 pip. So these are basically very low trading costs. They don't have any commissions attached, and they're around the industry average.
Yep. But the one thing where IG, I think, might win here is that IG has no minimum deposit requirement at all. There's no minimum balance to open an account on any of its accounts. But if, again, to go back to spread betting, if you're in the UK and you want to open a spread betting account, it's £250 minimum deposit requirement. But if you just want to trade CFDs, there's no minimum balance. Again, like Forex.com, the CFD trading account is commission free. Spreads start at 0.75 pips on the Euro USD, so slightly higher. If you want to trade on the L2 dealer platform, the DMA account, the spread starts 0.165. So again, just over 1 pip on the Euro USD. And the commission is variable on the DMA platform. There is a commission, and that it reduces with increasing trading volumes. So again, just to, this raises the point again that this is for experienced traders who are going to be trading high volumes on the DMA. But yeah, trading fees on both, as you'd expect with these two, giants of the industry, trading fees on both of these are significantly lower than other brokers. But traders that are looking for a simple account structure, I think, will be happier trading with Forex.com, while more experienced traders with more capital, who are looking for extremely low trading costs that get lower with higher volume trading, I think they're going to be quite interested in IG.
Yeah, you can sort of see quite a clear pattern forming here.
Mm-hmm.
Again, there might be more interest in the Forex.com and the experienced traders in IG. So then if we look at the educational resources, it's obvious that they've been designed at Forex.com's education, should I say. They've really had a lot of effort put into them, and you can see they've been designed by an experienced team of educators. And what we really like about them is that they're intended to slowly build your confidence and help you learn to trade Forex, depending on where you're at, because they provide a self-assessment quiz, which helps you identify where you're at. And then from there, it links you off into 3 different sections, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced trader. And then it also has, a whole lot of different themes that you may be interested in, whether you're interested in, learning trading strategies and technical analysis or risk management. But it really does, it sort of meets you where you're at. And it's also, it's multi-format. So I think, they're really excellent with their educational offering.
Yeah, and in our reviews, when we look at these brokers on fxscouts.com, we talk a lot about well-structured education, and this is what we mean when we say well-structured. As you say, it tells something that will pick you up wherever you are in your trading journey, and then points you in the right direction. It's really, you can't really rate it high enough to have well-structured education for new traders or for any traders.
Yeah.
Yeah, and IG is very similar. It's their trading material is also really well structured for beginner and intermediate, and then it also has something called an IG Academy, and this will cover stuff for beginner, intermediate, and advanced traders here as well. You can get live structured classroom style lessons, which they're run daily, and this allows traders to get personal feedback and interact with IG's market analysts, which I think is also really useful. It also offers specific sections on how to manage your risk and how to create trading strategy. And then there's live webinars as well.
Hey guys, hope you're enjoying the episode. If you're looking for more trading education, visit our website or FX Scouts YouTube channel. We have plenty of resources available. And if you're looking for a good Forex broker, go and check out our broker reviews on fxscouts.com.
Yeah, we provide an in-depth analysis of each broker, highlighting both their pros and cons. And you can always write to us as well. We're happy to answer any questions. You can get to us at podcast@fxscouts.com. And now let's get back to the episode.
Yeah, then if we look at the market analysis at Forex.com, it's excellent. It has one of the best market research and analysis sections that we've seen. So the posts by the team are detailed and they cover all aspects of the financial markets, which is quite unusual because a lot of the brokers just sort of have, Forex as their main sort of focus. But posts can be filtered by author, market, or theme, trending topics, and the site is updated many times a day. And you can also find a good economic calendar, which is very helpful, and a pivot point calendar for on-the-fly technical analysis, which is nice. And then it has several different trading tools, including Smart Signals, Performance Analytics, Market 360, and Trading Central. So certainly a very comprehensive offering from Forex.com.
Yeah, a lot of really good market analysis tools are very helpful. And again, at IG, they've got news and trade ideas, trading strategy education, analysis of upcoming events, all of this all the time. IG actually owns dailyfx.com, which is a big market analysis, and they use their material back and forth. Yeah, they've got this global team of analysts, and they've all got professional backgrounds from major investment banks. They're a really, really strong team. What I do like about IG specifically when it comes to market analysis is they've got free morning call and week ahead reports, daily and weekly, that go out. So yeah, and each of those they'll deliver you analysis of major economic events. So it's fundamental stuff and corporate news before the opening of the markets. But there's a lot of technical analysis in there as well.
Yeah. No, so it's quite difficult to compare them. Both Forex.com and IG really shine.
They're both great. Yeah, they're both amazing.
Yeah. So lastly, if we move on to customer service, we really like Forex.com's support. Like most brokers, it's available 24/5 from 10 a.m. on Sunday to 5 p.m. on Friday, which is fairly standard. And it's available by phone, email, live chat. And then it's also available in many different languages. So depending on where you are and depending on the availability, you'll probably be able to get support in your language. And invariably, we found the support, responsive, polite, and knowledgeable. So nothing to complain about there either.
Yep. And IG, as you might expect, also has excellent customer support. Phone, email, live chat, 24 hours a day from 8 a.m. Saturday to 10 p.m. Friday. This is all GMT times. They also have a peer support platform, which so you can get assistance from other traders and IG staff, and it's sort of like an old school forum. But I find it's really useful. I know a lot of beginner traders use it. If you're looking for, they have all kinds of, answer questions about platforms, or if you've got if you're getting your technical analysis right, I think it's a really good idea. And there's also great trading ideas you can find there as well. So, and again, every time we've talked to customer support at IG, they've been very quick to respond. They're very polite and very knowledgeable, especially about their technical stuff on their platform side. Very helpful.
Yeah, so overall, both brokers excel across the board. I mean, they've got some quite big differences. So beginner traders will likely find Forex.com more suitable. It has a simple account structure, a very simple in-house trading platform, and then very good beginner-focused education. While more advanced traders might be more interested in IG. So it has many more platforms to choose from, including the L2 dealer. It has a huge range of financial instruments, some of which are more complex, and it offers the DMA account, which offers lower commissions based on increasing trading volumes, which again is something that more professional or experienced traders might appreciate.
Yeah, exactly. I think that's about right. But look, at the end of the day, both brokers are fantastic. So you're not really going to go wrong, depending, if you're looking for a new broker or if you're just starting out. But yeah, I think beginners may just Forex.com might just have the edge, whereas more experienced traders might prefer IG. I think that probably is about right.
Yeah.
But yeah, about sums it up. I think we'll leave it there. And next week, we're going to be talking about how to trade double tops, aren't we, Alison?
Yes, we are. So we'll give you, the basics of what they are, and then talk a little bit about double top trading strategies as well.
Superb. Great.
Cool.
Well, I look forward to that. And I'll speak to you then.
Cool. Thanks, Chris.
Cheers then.
Cheers.